mean and mad, which is mean absolute deviation. So as you can see now, I got my new writing tablet, so now we can be successful. So we are going to begin by solving the mean, and then we're going to solve for the mad. So if you don't see the numbers here that are blurry, give me a second. Let me move it here. There we go. So if you cannot see the numbers because they're blurry, there are 8, 3, 52, 48, 7, and 78. So what we're going to do to solve first the mean is that we're going to add all of these numbers. So we're going to add all of them. So, ooh, oh, sorry. Okay, there we go. We're going to add all these numbers. Let me rewrite 78. There we go. So now we're gonna open our calculator. Insert. Where is it? File. Tools. There we go. Tools. Math tools. Calculator. So you can see my calculator here. We're gonna add everything. So can I resize it? Okay. So 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 plus 52 plus 48 plus 7 plus 78, which is gonna give us a total of 196. But that is not the answer, because there's another step for mean. For you, in order to find the mean, you need to multiply. You need to divide by how many numbers are there. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna divide 196 divided by 6. And our answer is going to equal to 32.666667. But in order to make this simple, we're going to round it up and we're going to make it 33. Now, we're going to have to find the mean absolute deviation. So basically what the mean absolute deviation means is that we're going to add all these numbers, or add them all to equal to 33. So let's say 8 plus something equals 33. But to make this simpler, we're going to use a calculator because this number is a little big. So 33 minus 8. So 8 to 33 is 25. And as I said, since we're going to do this, we're going to create a new set of numbers. It's going to be 25. Now 33 plus 3. I believe that should be easy, like 30. Yep, I was right, 30. Now, since this is a big number, 52, we're going to subtract 52 instead of 33 minus 52 because that'll give us a negative number. So that is going to equal 19. The same for 48. 48 minus 33, 15. 7. 33 minus 7, 26. And 78 minus 33, 45. So we created our new set of numbers. So now these new set of numbers, we're gonna do like the same as the top one. We're gonna add them. So here in our calculator is gonna be 25 plus 30 plus 19 plus 15 plus 26 plus 45, which is going to give us a grand total of 160, but we're going to have to divide 160 by the numbers, which are 6, So our mean absolute deviation, to make it simple, our MAD is gonna equal to 6. Now, I'm going to do the same on the next problem. Here, let me move the camera. Okay, so I'm going to show you another example here, just in case you got confused when I was solving the other one. So, we are going to add all of these. Oh, sorry. Let me move the calculator. There we go. Okay, sorry. So we're gonna add all of these together for us to find the mean, because you need to find the mean first. So we're gonna do this in the calculator. So 6 plus 26 plus 92 plus 13 plus 3 plus 48, which is going to give us a total of 188. But remember, you have to divide that total by how many numbers are there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to divide 188 divided by 6, and it's going to give us a grand total of 31.33333. But to make this simple, we're going to just leave it at 31, because since 3 is no larger than 5, we cannot add it to the 1 to make it 2. So now we're going to do our new set of numbers. So now I'm going to move the calculator up here. Now, we are going to make all of these numbers equal. All of these numbers, we're going to make them equal to 31. So, we're going to do the same as last time. 31 minus 6 is equal to 25. So, 25 to 31. So 25 plus 6 equals 31. We're just finding the number, adding them to equal 31. So now 31 minus 26 is equal to 5. Now 92. And remember, this is B subverse. So if you have a larger number, you're going to subtract that larger number from 31. So this time it's going to be 92 minus something that is going to equal 31. So 92 minus 31. So 92 minus 61 equals 31. So 61, and now 13. 31 minus 13 is equal to 18. Now with 3, 31 minus 3 is equal to 28. And lastly, 48 minus 31 is equal to 17. So now we created a new set of numbers, and now we're going to find the MAD, which, as I said, is the mean absolute deviation. So we're going to do the same as we did for finding the mean. We're going to add all of them and then divide by how many numbers are there. So 25 plus 5 plus, give me a second, sorry, plus 61 plus 18 plus 28 plus 17, which is going to give us a grand total of 154, but you're going to divide by how many numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 154 divided by 6, and our answer is going to be 25.66666, and it's going to keep on going. But as I said, to make this shorter, we're going to write it, the total, as 6 can go into 5, 1, so it's going to equal to 26. Because 20, let me put it here, 25.66667. If you're going to round it to the simple terms, which is the ones place or tens place, 6 can go into 5, and because it's a greater number, greater than 5, so it's going to equal 26. So 26 is going to be your MAD. Now, let's review over some rules that we needed to understand. So, I'm going to explain. Mad, oh, sorry. Mad is equal to mean absolute deviation. And remember, to find the mean, you must first add all numbers. And the second part is to divide by how many numbers there are. Which, if there are 6 numbers, you're going to divide the total by 6 or 7 or 5, and it goes simple like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you need any more help, please ask your teachers, or you can email me. I'm going to leave my email address below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Peace.